Hello creative friends, and welcome to the Stampin' Squad. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card. Isn't it cute? And best of all, it is a fun fold. So that's my favorite. I love fun folds. I hope you do too. So sit back and relax, and I'll show you step by step how I made this card so you can make one too. Okay, here we go. Okay. To start with, we need a piece of designer series paper that is 12 inches by 4 inches, and you could get 3 from a 12 by 12 piece of designer series paper, which is kind of handy. Let me show you where this paper can be found. It's in the annual catalog. It's a paper pack called Delightfully Eclectic. It is 12 by 12 paper, and it just has a variety of different prints and patterns and colors. It's a really big paper pack. There are 48 12 by 12 sheets in it. So this is one of the ones that is in that pack. I love these daisies. I think it makes a fun summer card. So this is one side. Let me just show you what's on the other side. The other side has some citrus fruit, which is fun. All right, so I'm going to turn this back over. I do want to say, first we're going to do some scoring. And the paper that you're using, if it's directional, make sure that the top part of the paper is right up here at the top of your scoreboard or paper trimmer scoring. All right, I'm going to turn it back over this way. And we made this card at the July mystery stamping night. And so here's clue number 2 from that night. That's what we're going to do right now. We're going to score this piece of designer series paper at 3 1/4, and then at 8 1/2, and then 11 1/4. All right, so let me move this out of the way. And we can fold this now. So this little part that's quite short is going to fold back this way. And then this is going to fold toward the center, what will be the center of our card. And I didn't fold that very well. Let me try that again. There we go. The nice thing about the designer series paper is it's more forgiving. Well, there's a lot of nice things about it, right? But one of the nice things is it's very forgiving, so you can make some changes there if you want to. And I don't know what I did with my bone folder, so I'm just using my fingers right now. There we go. So I can look here, make sure I have it lined up straight, and then just fold it down. The designer series paper is easier to fold than the cardstock as well. Okay, here we go. We've got that done. Now I'm going to grab a piece of Pretty Peacock cardstock, and this measures 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. And for all the measurements and everything, I will put a link down in the description where you can go and find not only, oops, I grabbed the wrong glue. I think that one's empty. Where you can go and find all of the measurements as well as the list of all the items that I used to create this card. You might have to hit see more, and then you might have to hit see more again to get to that, because they don't always show you everything right underneath the video. So you might have to click a couple times to get to that page, but everything will be there. Okay, there we go. Now let's do a little bit of stamping. I'm going to set this over here to the side. I've got this is a scrap of basic white cardstock, and I'm going to use this thank you stamp. And let me grab the stamp set that it is from. It's from the Good Feelings stamp set. There it is. Thank you. So it has these really large sentiments, which are really nice to have on hand, because sometimes the sentiment is the most important thing about the card, right? And so you want to have it bold and the centerpiece of your card. So let me stamp this. I love this pretty peacock color. It is so bright and beautiful. Now I'm going to take this punch. It's called the Decorative Circle Punch. You can find that in the annual catalog as well. And let's see, I just want to line this up and punch that out just like that. All right, before we came on, I die cut a circle of the pretty peacock, and I used the layering circles dies. Again, those are in the annual catalog if that's something you're interested in. I love those dies. I use them over and over and over again. It will be a sad day when those retire, because those are some of my favorites. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this so I don't leave it lying on my desk here and lose it or knock it on the floor or something. So this is gonna go right in the center of the card. And I know that when I put adhesive on the back of this, I don't want to go past this point, because if I do, then I'm gluing my card shut, and I sure don't want to do that. So you just flip it over, put some glue on the back, and I'm just kind of eyeballing to center it. And let's press that down really good, and let's check. Good, I did not get any glue where it shouldn't be. Let's do the inside of the card. Now, this is what it looks like, and I want to put a piece of white inside, but I want to stamp on this first. So let me grab crushed curry. And I am going to use this little lemon stamp. And let's see. I was looking to see if I have that stamp set sitting out. Oh, I do. It's from the Sweet Citrus stamp set. There it is, Sweet Citrus. So you can find that in the annual catalog too. I'm using kind of a lot of different things and mixing them all together, but that's fun, right? That's kind of the fun of stamping. Now I just put this on here. It's, you know, part of the stamp is flopping off. That's okay. All I really want is this lemon. So I'm gonna try to be careful here and only ink up the lemon. And actually I'm gonna put it down here so I can see a little better what I'm doing. There we go. I think I have that inked up right. And I actually want to stamp it off because I don't want it to be really, really bright. So let me grab a piece of scrap paper here, and let's do a little stamping off like that. And then I'm just going to put this down in the corner of this white cardstock. There it is. There's my little lemon. Okay, let's put this on the inside of the card, and then we will do the embellishments on the outside. Whoops. Let's put it this way. There we go. So cute. All right, let's make this a little bit fancier. I have some petal pink ribbon here. Move things around a little bit. And I'm just gonna tie a bow right in here. And I want my bow to be kind of small. So I'm pulling that, then I'm just gonna hold firmly the knot in the middle. And so I can kind of play around with this a little bit. Oops, I got a piece of cardstock or something on me. There we go. I like the way that looks. Okay, let me see. Do I have some scissors here? No, I don't. Hold on. That's what happens when you have part of your supplies and tools on your work surface and part on your desk. You never have the thing you need. There we go. All right, I'm just going to use a glue dot here to stick this on the front of my card, and then we're going to put a few gems on there. Because why not, right? So I'm just going to put this up here to the side. And I'm going to grab some iridescent rhinestones. Here they are. They were hard to see sitting here. Okay. And let's see, I'm going to grab one of these really big ones. And I'm going to put it right down here. Yeah, about there. And then I've got some medium-sized ones here. Let's put one of those right here. And then a little one. I need to order some more of these, huh? Getting kind of thin with those. Okay, there it is. That is our card. Okay, I'm in love with that. I think it's a very fun summer card. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. And also, I do monthly mystery stamping sessions on Zoom. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure and let me know so I can contact you and get you signed up for the August mystery stamping. All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.